So the next topic I want to talk about is the wildlife and forest preservation in Costa Rica. Like I had mentioned before, it's actually illegal for anyone to try and cut down trees for exportations, use up any of their oil, which they do have for any kind of exportation purposes. So it's a strict no. They just want to preserve, which is really awesome because that's why one of the main reasons Costa Rica is so beautiful and why their wildlife is so rich. There's over, I believe, 500,000 different species in the forests. As you can see, me there with a toucan, something I've never really seen in real life, only in, cartoons, and to actually, be able to, interact with it was just completely mind-blowing. The other picture is actually a cow, which I had no idea. His name, or her name, is actually Hercules, which was super awesome as well. And they have tons and tons of different kinds of species of butterflies as well. So the third picture, you can see the butterfly kind of looks like it has like an eye, almost. It was a little creepy, but this just goes to say how important it is to preserve wildlife and to preserve this beauty. And it's just crazy to see here. If I look out my window, I see another building, and if I were to look out my window there, I would see all this greenery and beauty and animals. One interesting thing I also noticed or talked about was the wildlife. There's lots of different kinds of lions and jaguars in their forest, and one of my main concerns was, don't they eat the livestock? I asked our tour guide, and our tour guide responded no, because there is enough food within the forest that these the lions or the jaguars don't actually have to go out of the forest and eat livestock. So it's actually a really good indication that the forest is doing really well. So let's go on to our next slide.